beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious walnut muffins made at home with lots of love. And I am sure you guys are going to love them. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the milk and the apple cider vinegar. I'm adding 1 cup of milk, regular milk, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I am going to whisk it and then put it aside so it starts getting nice and thick and clumpy. Look at this. These muffins are going to come out so delicious. Amazing. Well, here I have the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. Let me show you. With this non-stick baking cream, none of your goods are going to stick behind. They come out very easily. There's no fuss. There's no need to add all-purpose flour, butter them. Oh, no. Just one step. And let me tell you, once you make this non-stick baking cream, it's going to last in the refrigerator for a very long time with ingredients that you already have at home. Well, now that the milk is nice and thick, now I'm ready to start with this amazing recipe. I have 3 room temperature eggs. Remember, the eggs need to be at room temperature so that the muffins come out nice, thick, fluffy, moist from the inside. That's exactly how you want to enjoy your muffins. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to add 1 cup of vegetable oil. Of course, vanilla extract or vanilla paste. I am using vanilla paste. And now I am ready to incorporate all these ingredients. Get them nice and smooth. Incorporate them really good. Look at this. I'm going to sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt. I'm going to incorporate it really good until I see that there's no more lumps or dry ingredients. To make this recipe, it takes about 15 minutes, but let me tell you, to prepare it, about 15 minutes. Baking, 35 minutes. But let me tell you, these muffins come out delicious. Of course, the batter is ready. I have 1 whole cup of the walnuts. I am going to crush them really good. I want small little pieces. I'm going to use a little more than half in the batter. And the rest, I am going to top it off right on the top of my muffins. If you love walnuts like I love walnuts, you're going to love these amazing muffins. Look at this. This is exactly how you want the mixture of the walnuts. Chunky, but not the whole pieces. And here I am going to add a little more than half into the batter, and then I'm going to fold it in. I want to make sure that everything is coated, covered, and now I am ready to start getting my molds ready, filled halfway, because this batter really rises and gets nice and fluffy. This is the best part. When you make your muffins at home, you have control of how much sugar you add or how much oil or butter. You decide. But these muffins come out delicious. If you got to this part of the video and you love this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Enjoy this amazing walnut muffin. in this cold weather, in the holidays, when you want to drink a delicious hot coffee and you want a delicious muffin, well, let me tell you, this walnut muffin comes out delicious. My mouth is already watering. Just make sure that you don't fill it all the way to the top, halfways, and then you're ready to top it off with a couple more walnuts on the top. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're gonna go in the oven for 35 minutes or until a little stick comes out clean. Look at this. They look amazing. I can't wait to bake them and get all that aroma of the walnuts in my home. After the 35 minutes, look at this. They are really golden brown from the top. You put the little stick in the center and it comes out clean. That's how you know that they are done. I'm going to leave them here for just a couple minutes before I take them out of the molds. But let me show you how golden they are from the top. The walnuts are nice and crispy. And now let me show you how easy it is to remove from the baking dish with the delicious and amazing non-stick baking cream that I made here on my channel. That recipe, you have it here on my channel, non-stick baking cream. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. And nothing stays behind. That's the best part. When you use this non-stick baking cream, all your goods are going to come out really easy, no struggle, and nothing stays behind. And let me show you how they look from the inside. They are nice and fluffy, really moist. Look at this. Of course, I am going to enjoy this walnut muffin with a delicious coffee, homemade coffee. I'm going to add my granules, going to add my sugar, and of course, hot water. A little bit of creamer, and now I am ready to enjoy this delicious, moist, fluffy walnut muffin. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing walnut muffins. They're really fluffy, soft, delicious, and the flavor of the walnut just amazing. And this is how I'm going to enjoy this amazing walnut muffin with a delicious café de olla. Excuse me. So moist, so fluffy, and the flavor of the walnut, perfection. Just amazing. And like I always say, when you bake with love, everything comes out perfect.
Just amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious walnut muffin made at home with lots of love. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.